Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordan Bikes, and today we have for sale another Yamaha MT10. So this one is a 2016 bike on a 16 plate, done 3,003 miles, and that is it. Loads of extras, as you can see. So straight away you've got R&G protection on the frame, and of course sticking out the side in case you do have a little accident. You've got a Delcovic end cam and decat, so it sounds like an MT10 should sound. If you have a look just in there, you can see you've got radiator and oil cooler guards there as well. But it's a really, really clean thing, is this. What you'd expect for a bike with 3,000 miles. It really is as good as new. You've also got Yamaha's custom comfort seat as well. So a little bit thicker and a hell of a lot comfier than the standard seat there as well. And then coming over the top, I'll just show you the ignition. So a full digital display on these bikes. You've got a quick shifter on this one, which I'll come to in a moment. You've got 3 different modes of traction. You've got 3 modes of power as well, and ABS. And if you come down this side, you get cruise control as standard on these. And this one also has the Yamaha heated grips as well. And then as you can see, these bikes do come with full LED front and rear lights too. So coming over the left hand side, you can see there it has got the Yamaha quick shifter. Now that wasn't standard in 16, that came out on the bikes in 2017, but the previous owner has had that fitted to this bike and it works perfectly. Right, I'll give it a start up for you so you can have a listen to it. Really awesome sound. That was just a few little revs, so at full revs that will sound awesome. If you do fancy it, please give us a call or pop down to the showroom and we'll get your name on it. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.